Kids Station.
The mystery of the colorful eggs. Are you ready to go on a color learning adventure? Welcome, friends! Today we have a mystery to solve. These eggs are very close to hatching and we get to guess what's inside. I have a feeling something very special is about to happen. Let's find out together. Oh, look! That egg at the front is really wiggling. It looks like it's about to hatch. Look, a red bird is hatched. What a beautiful color. This is the color red. Can you say the word red?
Red.
Hello, little red bird. Let's see what other surprises are in store. Another egg is about to hatch. What color will this one be? Quick look! A green bird has just hatched from that egg. What a bright, vibrant color. This is the color green. Can you say green?
Green.
Hi, green bird. It's nice to meet you. What color could the next bird be? Ooh, look. The next egg is about to hatch. Wowie! A pink bird has just hatched from another egg. What a lovely, bright color. This is the color pink. Can you say pink?
Pink.
Red, green, and now pink. We have such colorful new friends. Wow, look, another egg is about to hatch. I wonder what color this one will be. Whoa, a blue bird is just hatched from another egg. What a fantastic color. This is the color blue. Can you say blue?
Blue.
Hello, little blue bird. Welcome to the world. Red, green, pink, and blue. But wait, there's still one more egg. A yellow bird. Wow, so bright and sunny. What an uplifting color. This is the color yellow. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Welcome to the world, little bird. It's fantastic to meet you. Look at all our colorful friends. We have a red bird, a green bird, a pink bird, a blue bird, and a yellow bird. Do you have a favorite color? Thanks for helping us discover these beautiful colors. Until next time, keep your eyes open for all the colors around you. See you soon, friends.